So today, Common Core Standard is we're going to basically be using statistics to solve quadratic models. What does that mean? Well, we're going to do like the dot-to-dot scatter plot thing. That's our statistics. And then quadratics are parabolas. So we're going to come up with parabolas, okay? But we're going to let the calculator do it for us, all right? So first of all, we take a look at these 3 points. We've got 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, and 3, 2, okay? That does not look like a straight line at all. It doesn't look like we could even draw. We could try and draw a straight line in here. But what we're going to do is try and make this into a quadratic model. To be a quadratic model, it's going to be some x squared equation, okay? So it's going to be some parabola. So, I don't know, I mean, I'll just take a shot at it, and it might look something like, maybe something like this, maybe some kind of curve, maybe. I'm just taking it, you know, and then, you know, it might look like this. If I drew a parabola like that, it might hit all 3. I'm just throwing it up there. I don't know. I'm just kind of guessing. So we could come up with some x squared equation that could make all of these. Well, how do we do it? Well, first of all, we need our calculator, right? So we're going to go into stat. I think the directions are there. So step 1. Am I going too fast? Am I okay? Baby, you with me?
Yes.
Okay. So first thing, let's go to stat. Stat is right there. You guys see stat? Stat is right there, okay? Okay, stat, you got stat right there? Now, we want to edit. The reason we want to edit is because when we edit things, it changes things, okay? So I push enter. And I've got list 1, list 2. And my list 1 is old stuff, so I want to get rid of all my old data. So I highlight the list, right? I push clear down arrow. Okay, I'll do it again. Highlight the list. I'm using my arrows. Highlight the list. Push clear down arrow. Okay? I've got an empty list. One more time. I just go up on it. I just go up to it. I go up to it. It's on it. I push clear down arrow. Okay, I'll do it again. Go up on top of it, right? Clear and down arrow. So, everybody good so far? Thumbs up, okay? Okay, I see thumbs up. I want to see thumbs up from everybody, okay? Does everybody have clear lists?
No.
Okay, if you don't have a clear list, tell me and I'll help you, okay?
Working on it. Okay, now it's
Okay,
there.
you guys have clear list? Angel, you guys got clear list? You guys?
Yeah, put your computer. Push your face, sorry. You go up to the word. Also, this one doesn't. On.
You guys gonna go?
This one, yeah, put it on.
Oh, which one is it?
Smell like with the bird.
Just get up. Just get up. Okay.
No, I think I have this one. Boy, I'm going to have that too.
Okay, everybody has a clear list, right? So,
Yeah.
these points, every point has an x and y value, right? So list 1, we're going to let be 0, 2, 3. List 2, we let be the y values, which are going to be the 5, 1, 2. Okay, so list 1 are the x values, 0, 2, 3. And list 2 are going to be the y values, which are going to be my 5, 1, and 2, okay? So I'm just going to put those in. So on my list 1, I'm going to put my 0, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, okay? And list 2, we'll put the y values, 5, enter, 1, enter, 2, enter, okay? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Everybody, anybody having any troubles, let me know, okay? Everybody good there? Okay, now, we put all of our stuff in list 1 and list 2, right? Anybody have any different lists?
List 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, but you put them in list 1, list 2, right? Okay, good. Because when we tell the calculator what to do, we need to tell where our numbers are. Does that make sense? So now, go back to stat. Okay. And this time we need to calculate an answer, okay? So go to calculate. We're going to calculate an answer. What are we looking for? A quadratic, right? One more time. Yep. Go to stat. Go to stat.
Quadratic regular.
Yeah, you guys are ahead of me. Good. Yes. So go over arrow. See? Oh,
What do you do after it?
yes. Okay. Yep.
Then you go to the calculator.
And then you hit enter.
Not yet. We got to go list 1, list 2, right?
Number 5.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay. Yeah. So now everybody there to quadratic. Thumbs up. Anybody not there? Anybody not there?
Just go back
Okay.
to step.
Angel, you good? Okay. So enter. Now you have to tell the calculator where your numbers are. List 1, list 2, right? So lists are in blue. So by number 1, I go second, list 1. You get an L1? Can you get an L1? Second L1. Second, which is down by number 1, right? And then comma, you have to put a comma. You have to put a comma. Now the comma's by the 7. Comma's above the 7. Okay? How am I doing? And then second L2, okay? Okay? How am I doing?
Easiest right?
Press the comma button.
I just can't
Push enter.
L1 plus L2.
Oh, but you're random shit.
Was I supposed to hit a comma? If I didn't hit a comma, what do I do?
I always get that in a lunch.
Anybody else? Anybody else? Everybody got it? Now push enter. Push enter, okay? Now, let's go back to what we're trying to do. We're trying to make an equation, right? So we're trying to make this equation. Here is A, here is B, and here is C. So I should be able to go, as an answer, y equals 1x squared minus 4x plus 5, okay? Now, so we took our answers, our calculator answers. A is 1, B is -4, and C is 5. And I just wrote my answer down, okay? How am I doing? Okay. Now, we can actually do a scatter plot of this, and we can do both things. I want to show you another thing, okay? Watch. Okay, now, let's graph these points on our calculator, okay? Let's see how good of a curve we have. So now, you listening? We're going to go, see this thing called scatter plot? See this? Okay, so if I go second scatter plot, okay, I'll do it again. Quit. Okay, clear. Scatter plot's in blue, right here, right? So second, and then this button. Second, and this button, okay? Second stat plot, okay? Mine's off. I want to turn it on, so it works, okay? So I push enter, and I'm going to turn it on, okay? Now, I already have list 1, list 2 in there, don't I? I do. Do you guys have list 1, list 2?
Yeah.
Am I getting too far ahead of you? Carlos, have you guys okay? All right. So if I push enter, okay, if I push enter, you ready?
Then you just hit enter when it's on the on.
Right. Now go to graph. If you go to graph, are you get everybody there?
Yeah.
Graph.
Oh, whoa.
Why doesn't do anything?
Hold on, I got to get rid of something. Clear. Graph. Did you get 3 points?
Mine zoomed in. Mine zoomed in.
Go back and hit graph again.
Now, yeah, listen up. Shh. So if you're not seeing it, it could be that your window's wrong. So Jonna, your window's like not -10 to 10. Your window's like, who knows where your window is. So if you go to window, you should go like normal graph, -10 to 10, right? Window's right there, right? We should go normal window, -10 to 10, right?
Oh, yeah.
Scales by 1, right? You should go -10 to 10. Yours is probably really way off, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then if you get a normal window, you're going to see a normal graph, right? -10, 10, -10, scales by 1. And then, John, if you go back to graph, you see your scatter plot. There's your points, right? Yeah. Yeah, go to my window. There it is.
Canvas is also showing a corrupt.
Right, so we're going to get rid of the crap. Okay, we'll go back to the
Negative 10, 10,
Okay.
1, 10. Is that a negative 10?
Yeah, -10 to 10 and then
Okay.
-10 to 10, right? You got it? Right, I got a bad calculator, okay?
Okay, there we go.
So then do it and you should get that,
And
okay?
then how do I go back to my other one?
Let's go to graph. You ready? Let's go to graph.
Okay.
There it is.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody have their points? Who does not have their points? Okay.
Oh, like, mine, why does mine have those
equals. Anybody else?
What's on the y-axis?
Cause he went back.
Click y equals.
I don't know, I just smacked her with something really hard.
There it is.
Wait, why is it doing
Avery, what is your?
I needed to put it in the because I knew.
Alright, anybody else?
I like to chat on Snapchat instead of.
And then he gets mad at
Will, send us my phone back.
Oh, no, I would do.
Why do you take your phone?
Hey, anybody else? Skip. Cody, you want Cody? Anybody else? Okay, does everybody have 3 points? Before this poor boy falls asleep, anybody else, right? Now, let's do this. Let's draw our parabola into these 3 points. How do you do that? We go to y equals, that's y equals, right? That's y equals, right? So go to y equals, right? And I'm going to go, okay, one more time, go to y equals, I want to go y equals right there. Y equals, y equals, and let's go 1x squared, x variable, subtract 4x,
Mine already has an equation in there.
clear it out, plus 5.
Actually, it's that square.
X, the square button's right there. Square button's right there. Okay. Now, everybody have the equation in?
Now, hold up 1 second.
Wait, is it the actual letter S?
Okay.
Hold on 1 second. Minus.
Is that minus?
This is like a lot of work.
Let's subtract.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Because you're bored. Let's give you something to do, right?
Okay, why did
I thought you said that was going to be It's alpha and it's.
Yeah, I found it.
How do you get squared? That's my question.
You should make, you should have
How do you get the little
Okay, watch. Okay. Give me 5. Give me 5. Okay, now watch this. When I push graph, ready? When I push graph, my line should appear, and if I did my job, my line should go through my points, shouldn't it? Graph. Wow, it does. So what I did is I found the equation that goes through those 3 points, didn't I? Okay? Now, thumbs up. Let's do it again. Yeah. Let's go on to the next one, okay? So let's do it again. So, you ready?
Yeah. Mine is just going down.
Did you push graph?
Oh, graph.
Push graph?
Already had.
Okay, here we go. Next one. Now, that's it.
Oh, I saw that.
Okay. Let's do the next one. But you got to pay attention. So, scatter plot. Diameters are here. Time is here. Here's my time. And here's my diameter. So what happens, and it makes sense. Think about a spool. Think about a circle. And as you start to pull it off, it spins. But we know as you get close to the end, it starts to spin faster and faster, right? Does that make sense? Big spool, and you start to pull things off, right? Think about a big spool. As you get, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. As it gets down the end, it goes faster and faster, right? So it's the same kind of thing. So if we have a diameter of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have a time of 5.5. Okay, now I got to go all the way to 44, so I'm probably going to go 10, 20, 30, 40 to do my scatter plot, okay? So it's by 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now let's do a scatter plot. I'm going to go 5 and 5.5. That's about there. Okay, I'm going to estimate, right? 7 and about 11.2. I'm going to estimate about there. Okay. 9.25. I'll estimate that. And about 16. Again, I'll estimate. Okay, about there. 10.5 and about 22. So again, I'm estimating. Okay. 12.25 and about 33. So it jumps up quite a bit, doesn't it? Okay. And then I've got 13, which is a little off my paper, and I got 44, so it's way up here, okay? So it does curve a little bit, doesn't it? It does curve. It does curve. And what I'd like to do is come up with the equation that fits all of those points, right? So I'm just going to do the calculator again. I'm going to go and do this step all over again. So we got list 1, right? We got list 2. Okay, tell me when you're ready. Go ahead and do your scatter plot. Tell me when you're ready, okay? So go ahead and do your scatter plot. And when you're ready, we're going to put it in the calculator, okay? So in the calculator, let's go again. Same thing. All the way back to the same steps. Go to stat, right? Go to stat. Edit, because we need to, like anything, to edit means change, right? So we go to edit. I'm going to clear list 1, right? Clear, down arrow, up, clear, down arrow. So my list 1 and my list 2 are cleared, right? You guys remember how to do that, right? Clear list 1, clear list 2, okay? So then I'm going to start putting numbers in for list 1. I'll put the 5, the 7, the 9.25, so I'll put 5, enter, 7, enter, 9.25, enter, 10.5, enter, 12.25, enter, 13.75, enter, okay? So I'm putting in list 1, and then I'll hop over to list 2, and I'll put all list 2 numbers in, okay? So hop over, let's do list 2, okay? So I've got a 5.55, I'm going to have an 11.12, 16.67, I'm going to do a 22.22, 33.33, and a 44.45, okay? All right, so put all your numbers in, right? And we're going to do a quadratic model again, all right? Quadratic regression. Am I going too fast? I'll wait for you.
Wait, Mr. Davies. So this is just, it's just like kind of line of best fit.
Yeah, it is. It's the line of best fit before a quadratic or a parabola. Okay, now you ready? What do we do next? Okay, so we go back to stat, and we're going to calculate an answer, right? What do we want? Quadratic, right? Not linear anymore, but quadratic. Quadrag, right? Quadrag. L1, comma L2, right? L1, comma L2, right? How am I doing? Okay. Enter. There's my answer. Now it's a little bit of a decimal answer, but that's okay. I'm going to have an answer of y equals about a 0.397x squared minus a 3.12x plus an 11 point, is that 8? I got a little smash in my calculator. 9.3, thank you. See, I can't tell. I got a little smash in my calculator, huh? Well,
I didn't put in the L1 or the L2, it's okay.
really? Okay. I'm surprised. Okay, good. Okay, it defaulted. Now, how do we know how good our line is? We can go to our stat plot, right? You want to check it out? Now, before we do our stat plot, we have to think about our window. Now, the window's really easy. Seriously, the window's really easy. You know why the window's easy? Your window needs to fit this graph, doesn't it? Your window should fit this graph, shouldn't it? So hit your window, okay? Okay, I want to go from 0 to probably 15, right? I want to go from maybe 0 to 15. So I go to 0 to 15, right? And I want to go probably 0 to probably 50 maybe. You okay with that? 0 to maybe 50, right?
I just completely drew it.
Okay. Now, before I push graph, let's go to y equals. Let's put our new equation in, right? Am I going too fast? Too fast, right? So what I did is I checked my window. I made my window fit my graph, okay?
Bless you.
I made my window fit my graph.
What do you have for the Y?
Y min 0. Oh, y min 0 and 50. That's 50.
No, the Y minimum.
0.
0. And same thing with that.
Yeah. Yeah, I happened to pick the one calculator that has a big old poke hole in it, okay?
Pickles.
Now, y equals 0.397 x squared 3.12x plus 11.93, and let's see what it looks like. That's what I got. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
One of them's off though.
A little bit. I want to bring that up, okay?